Ladies and gentlemen, the next article I'm going to share with you from N2Y is titled
Drones deliver books.
Drones. What are drones? Here's one of them. And this must be the box of books that it's carrying. Here's a better picture of a drone. Only this drone is delivering pizza and not books. Well, let's find out some more about the drone that delivers books.
Drones are delivering books in Christiansburg, Virginia.
I don't think that's in Texas.
Drones are small aircraft.
Aircrafts fly.
Drones have no people on them.
Quite different from an airplane.
Some companies use drones to deliver things.
Just like the pizza place that had drones delivering pizzas.
A school library wanted to use drones to deliver books. The library is in Christiansburg. The library was closed because of coronavirus.
And we know coronavirus is bad news.
Students can ask for any book from the library.
But how while the library is closed?
Then drones will deliver the books to the students' yards. This is the first library to use drones to deliver books.
How neat. Now students can get caught up with their summer reading. Okay, on to our questions.
1. What are small aircraft? Canoes.
No.
Cars. Drones.
Yes.
2. What are the drones delivering? Books.
How about
Snacks.
no?
Paint.
No. Just books. Well, in this article, yes.
3. Where is the library? Rockford, Illinois.
Wrong answer. No.
Casper, Wyoming. Christiansburg, Virginia.
Correct. Yes.